5 websites to download royalty-free music for your YouTube videos. Now at number 1 we have MIXKIT. Now with MIXKIT you can download free copyright music that you can use on your YouTube videos, on your personal projects or whatever, but most times you have to give attribution to whoever has created that music. Now all you just have to do to get the free music is click on stock music right here, and then you get redirected to another page, and you can filter your search results through various genres of music and also through different moods and tags. Now let's just go down and I'll show you how you can download it. Now with MIXKIT you just need 2 clicks to download. First you have to preview the sound so you know what you're getting, and then as easy as clicking the download button, as you can see it says my download has started, and as you can see right here it has been downloaded straight into my PC. So that's all for MIXKIT. Now at number 2 we have TUNETANK. Now TUNETANK says it offers royalty-free music without copyright claims, and that is absolutely right, because TUNETANK is one of the sites I used to get my music, and they have a large library of music that you can download from. So most of the type of music that I use, the themes that I use, are mostly under the corporate themes, and you can also search through with themes, the genres, the moods, and also through albums. As you can see, very easy to download. You just have to check out So after listening to it, you can just click on the download button right here, and then it says license information, and as you can see it says you can use this track for free with attribution. So now you have to give attribution to the person who created this music. So then you just click on the download button, and what you have to do to give attribution, you copy this and then you paste it in your description section. Just know that you have to give attributions to avoid claims from the author. So that's that for TUNETANK. And at number 3 we have BENSOUND. Now BENSOUND claims to give royalty-free music, the best music by the best artists. So now with BENSOUND, all you just have to do is just go here to free music, and you can choose to either sign in or not. It's not a big deal. So all you have to do when you're downloading this, you can check out the sound like I've said in the previous 2. So once you click on free download, you can use the music in your YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and you have to give attribution to BENSOUND. So this is the example of how to give attribution to BENSOUND. Now for their rules of using their sound, you can't put it in a podcast, you can't remix the music or add it to an audiobook or try remaking the song. All you just have to do next is click on the download button, and from there you know that you're not going to break any of their rules, so you won't get copyright claimed. And with BENSOUND, you can also go as far as filtering your type of music by duration of the music. So now let's move on to the 4th site on our list. Now at number 4 we have Gemtracks. Now with Gemtracks you can also download royalty-free music that you can use on your YouTube videos. All you just have to do to download the free music is to go under resources and click on royalty-free music. Now from here you can see all the music that you can download for free. Now with Gemtrack you can filter with the software notations of music. As you can see right here, you can filter for music in the C# major. Now as you can see, all music now that will be showing right here are music that have been played on the C# major. So they allow you to use their free background music in all your projects and media for commercial and monetization use, and you must give credit back to Gemtracks and link back to their site. So all you just have to do is just click on the download button, and that you agree to their term, put in your email address, and then it gets sent to your email address. And finally we have the YouTube audio library. Now to get to the YouTube audio library, you need to have a YouTube account, and in your creator studio you just have to go down and you see the audio library at the left hand side of your screen. So once you click on that, you can choose between sound effects or music. Now you can filter on what type of genre, the mood, and the artist name or the duration. Now you can also choose to give attribution or not. So it's very simple to download from the YouTube Studio. All you just have to do is just go on the particular music that you want to download and click on the download button, and that's all. Now, if you've gotten value from this video, please do hit the like button, and if this is your first time on the channel, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to get more daily contents like this. Check out the other videos that are going to pop up right now, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy those videos. So have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.